So I conclude that white feather red-beak finch is mother, and medium ground black finch is father, which fact was conceived by me at very earliest stage of making my previous video. This video can be found in playlist titled as Bird. The link may be found below the description and with related video. Chicks are active and healthy. But while learning fly and moving around at my terrace, they have lost their beautiful innocent tails. I am sure very soon new tails will be developed to make them appear a complete bird. Viewers, finches are very fertile. They may lay eggs just after 4 to 5 months. Eggs are hatched out after 20 to 23 days. Though tender chicks after hatch out appear so